Root words. Why learn them? One of the quickest and easiest ways to increase your word power is to recognize and understand the building blocks of words. Once you recognize the building blocks, the root words, you will have the keys to understanding hundreds of words, many of which may even be unfamiliar to you. But isn't learning root words boring and laborious? Before we answer that, a quick reminder: continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all. So is learning root words boring? You can make it interesting through the chunking and illustrated sentence example method. Learn a root word, then examine 5 or 6 words containing that root, each with an illustrated sentence example. This way you learn words in chunks and they stay in your memory. To make it easy, I have a playlist on this channel dedicated to root words. See the link below in the description. Here's an example of chunking root words with illustrated sentence examples. The root word is CHRON, which comes from the Greek word chronos, meaning time. So here are some words with that word root. Chronic, meaning continuing for a long time. Then an illustrated sentence example. He suffered with chronic back pain. Another word, chronicle, a record of events in order of time. And here's a sentence example from the San Francisco Chronicle newspaper. Then chronology or chronological, the science of recording events by period or date. And the example here is of a crazy war that police investigators use, putting events in chronological order. Then chronomancy, divination of the best time to do something, the determination of lucky and unlucky days. The illustrated sentence example shows Nancy Reagan, who often consulted astrologers and used chronomancy. And then synchronize, caused to occur at the same time or rate. In the example, we see a television program that is not synchronized with audio and picture. So you see, by using illustrated sentence examples and these words with the root word chron, you chunk words together. Chronic, chronicle, chronology or chronological, chronomancy, synchronize. Now with that group in mind, you will remember them much more easily. And look for more words with that root word chron. So be sure to click on the link in the description below to the playlist and of course subscribe to this channel. Has this video helped you? Then like, share or comment now. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Go to goodenglish.online.